Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to tag someone in Facebook post. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. So this could be on Android, could be on iPhone. So just go ahead and open the Facebook app. Then click on what is on your mind. Once you click on that, type whatever you have here on your mind. So just type whatever you have. Let's say this is what you have in your mind. Now for you to tag someone on Facebook, click on the add button and then locate and click on add. Then go ahead and type in the name of the person you want to tag. Then once you type in the name, you should see name suggestions. Now select the person you want to tag. Then you should see the name highlighted. To tag another person, repeat the same thing again. Then choose the name from the suggested names. You see that? And then the person be tagged again. And then go ahead and click on next. Once you hit the next button, you should say to customize the post settings. Now go ahead and click on post. So that is basically how to tag someone in Facebook post. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.